The UniConverter 16 is the best video converter for Mac. I'll show you how easy it is to convert videos with it in bulk, so let's dive in. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. So for Mac, there are still less tools available than for Windows. That means that you have to pick very carefully from these limited options. When it comes to converters, there are only 3 factors that you need to take into account. First of all, it has to be fast. Then it has to support all file formats and needs to be able to convert files in a bulk. To maximize efficiency, these 3 factors need to be present and at the highest level. The UniConverter 16 is optimized for both Intel and Apple Silicon chips, so regardless of your machine, it will be able to utilize the high-speed conversion mode, which uses GPU acceleration to make the conversion process much faster. When it comes to file support, it supports over 1,000 file formats and it can convert them in bulk in parallel, which means that it doesn't convert the file in order one by one, but multiple ones simultaneously, which is really cool. But okay, enough talking, let me demonstrate why you need this converter. But first things first, download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com and then install it. To use the free trial, sign in with your Google account or create a Wondershare account with your email. And then when you have the UniConverter up and running, click on the converter tool. The next step is importing your files. Thanks to the broad file support that the UniConverter 16 has, you can import anything from MP4 files to ProRes MOV. Oh, and you can import all sorts of video and also audio files, which then you can convert to the same format or to separate ones, but we'll take a look at that in the next step, which is setting up your output format. Like I said, you can set up one for all of these files, say MP4 for ProRes files, if you need to create a preview for your client of the footage that you just shot. But alternatively, it's possible to set up different output formats for each files as well. Now up here, it's important that you have the high-speed conversion mode turned on for a faster processing time. And then down here to select an output folder so you'll find your files in your computer. When you're done with your settings, just click on Convert All. And all of these files will be converted faster than you'd imagine. So, was this easy enough? I believe so. So be sure to try it, and if you like the converter tool, try all the rest of the features of the UniConverter 16 as well, because all of them are awesome and super useful. But that's all for this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave any comments should you have any questions. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.